Hello, my crafty friends. I haven't made a video in a long time, but I've been making a lot of art and cleaning out and doing all sorts of things. And I came across this. It's an envelope. There's the little window that I had decorated. How pretty is that? And I don't know for the life of me what tutorial I followed to get this result. I was thinking it was Shannon Green, but I looked on her YouTube and I couldn't find it, and I thought I'm just gonna ask the YouTube people. I don't even know if I have any subscribers anymore, but if you're watching this video and you know the video where this tutorial is, please put it in the comments below, a link or some words. It looks like what I did is I put some bright color down first. So like this yellow is, I don't know if it's watercolor or watered down acrylic paint. It looks really thin and see-through. Maybe it's sprays. And then it looks like I put a black stencil with acrylic paint and then a white stencil with acrylic, or white paint through a stencil with acrylic paint, white paint. Or maybe gesso. And the black stencil is Patty Tolly Parish, and I think this white stencil is Patty Tolly Parish too. I'm not sure about that. Here's the front. I think this white stencil, this is a different white stencil, is Patty Tolly Parish. But if you know what technique this was, who did this, where did I learn this from? Would you please make a comment below and let me know? That would really help me out because I want to try to do it again. So that's all I have for right now. I hope to be making more art on YouTube in 2021. I just don't know. I'm just trying to be doing all the things that I have to do before I do art. On YouTube. I do a lot of art, but anyway, thank you guys. Please leave me a comment and help me out. Thanks. Bye.